World Islamic Health Union is urging for peace and recognition of an independent Palestine with a capital city of Al-Qudus now. While numerous humanitarian aid around the globe, including several Turkish healthcare personnel and the global personnel are on the ground, still being blockaded and waiting to enter from Egypt to Palestine as soon as a full peace, not just a temporary ceasefire, announced. World Islamic Health Union is ready to send more medical doctors and healthcare equipment and support the rebuild of Palestine, including Gaza. World Islamic Health Union is asking, what does the death count need to be before someone finally speaks against this madness and urges restraint? Not more arms. 50,000? 100,000? A million? More? When have enough Palestinians died? There is no power, no water, no fuel. Food supplies are running dangerously low. Hospitals overwhelmed with patients and injured running out of medicine. Morgues are overflowing with bodies. Dead bodies are buried in mass graves. And Israel ordering more and more hospitals in Gaza to evacuate and order and evaluated as the World Health Organization as death sentence for the sick and injured. This includes thousands of newborn babies in incubators. The mass genocide of civilians and the scale of destruction do not indicate a so-called collateral damage by the so-called civil world, but rather an indiscriminate and ethnic cleansing against civilians, particularly children, which is a clear violation of international law and human rights. And know of this world, Netanyahu and his supporters will be known as war criminals and will be judged. And due to the genocide of more than 25,000 people and more than 10,000 children, we appeal urgently to all international organizations and authorities. Ensure the right to life of civilians in Gaza and Palestine. Stop the settlers' violations right now in West Bank. Stop this massacre by implementing necessary sanctions to Israel now. Hold all those responsible for war crimes accountable on international platforms under fair conditions. Open border gates to allow aid entry now. Take urgent measures to provide medical support and equipment for the treatment of the injured in the region. We will be following this very closely as the World Islamic Health Organization and the entire doctors of the free world. Take care and all the best.